The Reloop Keypad Pro is a versatile MIDI controller that combines drum pads, keys, and an extensive control section with encoders, buttons and faders. Perfect for producing, performing and controlling your DAW. At the top of the Keypad Pro, you'll find the control section, which allows you to mix tracks, mute or solo them, activate record mode and control parameters like panning or sense. In the center of the device, there are 16 RGB lit drum pads. These can be used to play samples or to launch clips in your DAW. The Keypad Pro also has 25 velocity-sensitive keys. These are perfect for playing instruments. When combined with the Shift button, the keys can be used to adjust parameters in different modes. On the left side of the keys, you'll find a modulation wheel and a pitch bend wheel. Above the keys is the navigation encoder, which lets you move through your project. You'll also find additional buttons here to activate the hardware arpeggiator, enable the clip launch function, adjust the octave of the keys, or connect a smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth. Any white labeled functions can be activated by holding the Shift button. On the left side of the Keypad Pro is the DAW Master section. This section lets you control global DAW parameters. With a volume fader, you can adjust the overall volume of your project. On the back of the device, you have the option to switch between battery operation and USB power supply. You will also find 2 USB ports for connecting additional instruments and an LED that indicates whether the Keypad Pro is powered on. On the left side of the housing, there are ports for sustain pedal and MIDI out. Perform mode is a powerful tool for live adjustments and creative expression. The Perform mode is activated by pressing the Perform button. Once activated, the top 8 encoders are no longer used for panning. Instead, they are used to control parameters for the active instrument. In this mode, you can adjust parameters like filters, effects, envelopes or volume in real time. This works whether you're playing a clip or performing an instrument live. This mode aligns with the Perform pages in Bitwig. If you have multiple pages, you can switch between them by turning the navigation encoder while holding the Perform button. When holding the Perform button, additional shortcut parameters become available. In the top row, you can select devices in the track chain. These are also color-coded for easy identification. Orange represents audio effects, blue note effects, and green instruments. In the bottom row, you can switch between different Perform pages for even more control options. The Clip Launch mode is activated by pressing the Clip Launch button. In this mode, the 16 RGB lit drum pads are used to trigger clips. The pads blink to indicate active clips in each track, and their colors match the track colors in your DAW. With a navigation encoder, you can move vertically through the clips. Pressing the encoder triggers the currently selected scene, launching all the horizontally aligned clips. To stop a clip in a track, hold the Shift button and press Stop Clip. To stop all clips, use the Stop Clips button. On the Reloop Keypad Pro, you have an integrated arpeggiator. The arpeggiator is activated with the Arp button. With the Sustain button, you can hold an arpeggio. By using the Shift button and the corresponding key, you can select different modes: up and down, random, or chronological. In chronological mode, the arpeggio follows the order in which you play the notes. You can also adjust the range of the arpeggio or change its tempo by using the Shift button and the corresponding keys. To enter Chord Mode, hold the Shift button and press the key labeled Chord on the far right of the keyboard. By default, the right side of the keyboard plays major chords, while the left side plays minor chords. If you shift the octave, you can play more complex chords like suspended fourth or major seventh chords. At the top of the Keypad Pro is the control section, which includes encoders, buttons and faders. In standard mode, the top encoder adjusts the panning of the selected channel. The two smaller encoders below it control the send effects for that channel. The fader is used to adjust the channel's volume. The buttons allow you to select the channel to make it active, activate a record mode, or to solo a channel. By holding the Shift button, you can group channels, mute channels, or stop playing a clip. You can also customize these functions within your DAW settings to suit your preferences. The Keypad Pro can also be used wirelessly with batteries. Insert the batteries into the compartment and switch the device to battery mode. To connect via Bluetooth, hold the Bluetooth button until it starts blinking. Then open the settings in your DAW on your mobile device and select Bluetooth MIDI devices. Choose Keypad MIDI from the list. Once the Bluetooth LED is solid, the device is connected and ready to use with your smartphone or tablet.